Hello. Are you looking for the evidence analysis you need when writing about the character Lady Capulet? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Lady Capulet in the tragic play Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Enough, nurse. Hold thy peace. Immediately, the conflict between the nurse and Lady Capulet is established. The contrast between the caring nurse and the cold, distant mother are also initially witnessed in this scene. Moreover, the imperative command indicates that despite knowing Juliet better than her mother, the nurse must obey her social superior. The exclamatory sentence helps to highlight the heated relationship they potentially have. Find delight, written there, is Beauty's pen. The personification of Beauty's pen demonstrates Lady Capulet values aesthetic above anything else. The imperative verb find indicates that she wants Juliet to find love and quickly move on, suggesting either a distance between the two or potentially the wish for Juliet to be happy. Verona's summer has not such a flower. Not only does Lady Capulet demonstrate her pleasure at a potential match, but once again there is the motif of aesthetic beauty through the noun flower. Summer is a time of warmth and prosperity. Therefore, this indicates that Paris is the very embodiment of this in the eye of the character Lady Capulet. Romeo slew Tybalt. Romeo must not live. Justice and honour at this time are pivotal to social order, and this is fully exemplified in this quote. The use of rhyming couplets helped to create not only the sense of tied consequences to such an action, but it helped to also engender a sense of finality. The modal verb must also helps to certify the notion that no other alternative can be sought, although Romeo is then banished. Do as thou wilt, for I am done with thee. The cold relationship between mother and daughter is finalised through her use of the lexis done. Lady Capulet has also chosen to follow the wishes of her husband rather than listening to the pleading of her child. So there's a great selection of analysis and evidence you can include. It's now your chance to practice using them in your essays. So good luck.